That's weather, huh? Perfect for running. It's drizzling, it's cold, it sucks, and I love it. No, not really. But I discovered something interesting that I will share with you that will help you be more productive without any more effort. How would you like that? So here's the secret. Where so many of us screw up, me exercising, business, prospecting, follow-up, all that is, we get this ambitious idea and then we go out and execute and we last exactly maybe 1 day, 2 days. You see those people at the gym, right? They load up too heavy and they can't lift. They get sore. Agents who say, I'm going to prospect for 4 hours. And they last 2-3 days and they quit, it's too hard. So today on my run, I discovered the itty bitty extra. So when I finish my run, there's this little walk I do to cool down. And I'm thinking, there are these little flags. I don't know if you can see them behind me, right there. And I walk to the first flag and I'm thinking, how much extra effort would it take to walk these extra 10 steps at just a little more distance? Nothing. Didn't feel it different. But I added a little bit, small, tiny bit to my exercise. What if I add 10 more steps tomorrow? A little bit more on my next run. A little bit more, and a little bit more. Without any extra effort, I'm getting better results. I'm having a better workout, better run. What if you, today when you do your prospecting, instead of killing yourself and saying, I'm gonna prospect for 4 hours, which is not gonna happen. What if you said, I'm just gonna make one extra call, send one extra text, work for 60 extra seconds. Would it require more effort? Not really. Would it feel any different? Not really. You wouldn't tell the difference. But you made that little step. And the benefit is twofold. One, of course, is a little extra, because that one extra call can be the one that will land you the listing. Maybe now, maybe later. But also mentally, you're stretching your comfort zone. And what if you did one extra tomorrow, and then one extra the day after, and the day after, and you keep adding? Where will you be a week from now? Where will you be a month from now? Without any extra effort, you're gonna get extra results. You're gonna put a little bit extra. And the benefit can be tremendous, because it will also create another important part, consistency, where you mentally commit, you get it done, and just keep increasing just a little bit. And then the compound effect kicks in, and results can be staggering very quickly without any extra effort, without killing yourself. Try it. It is your Coach Borino offering you from this amazingly lovely, drizzly day a very productive, excellent day. Do that little extra. Let me know how it goes. Post a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you soon. I'm about to teach my Path students some secrets on for sale by owners. If you're with us, if you're part of the Path, then I'll see you at noon. And if not, go check it out. It's goborino.com. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Ciao.